The crypto market is exploding towards the upside. We are seeing all of our crypto bubbles are green, green, green. Prices are pumping and our crypto wallets are becoming big, fat, and juicy exactly the way we love it. Consistently, we're making profit in our inner circle. Week after week after week after week, regardless of what way crypto moves. But the way we're actually making money in crypto is changing. I'm going to be implementing a new strategy and I'm going to show you guys exactly what we're doing so you guys can take it and apply it to your crypto trading or investing strategy so that you can have consistent wins as a whole. But the original question that we should be asking right now is number one, we have to understand why the market is pumping in the first place. And the crypto market is pumping because of this. Iran agrees to a 2-week ceasefire after threat of massive attack. We know that investors don't like war. We know that investors and traders don't like uncertainty. It makes people typically step away from the market. Now, only if you knew this was going to happen, then maybe you would have bought in the dip and your crypto wallet would have gotten a little fatter, a lot bigger, a little juicier. Well, we did talk about it. In this YouTube video right here that I posted yesterday, I said we may be expecting a pump happening. Take it in. I say that because if there is any type of message, anything that comes from the White House saying, yes, there is a ceasefire between America and Iran, I expect that the crypto market is going to have some type of massive, big, juicy pump towards upside. And that's exactly what happened, you guys. Let's take a look at Mama Coin and how this ended up playing out. Number one, when they announced that ceasefire, we saw that the stock market did up, and away, exploded toward the upside. Look at this. Look at this. It went up so high, you guys, it created this massive gap in the market. And we're going to talk about this gap because when we have prices move up so fast, so quickly, and it creates this gap, it's typically an indication that we actually might see prices move towards the downside because it has to fill this downwards gap. But when we look at the price of Bitcoin, that's exactly what happened, you guys. Exactly like I stated it in my YouTube video. We saw this massive move toward the upside and we saw Mama Bitcoin go up, and away, right back into this channel that I originally drew out, saying, hey, if we can get back into this channel, then this downwards resistance finally can potentially become a downward support. Meaning if prices comes down, we could potentially bounce off this price, potentially move towards the upside. But like I mentioned it before, I'm not going to reiterate it all over again, that this pattern typically is a bearish pattern. Meaning we can now potentially see Bit potentially run up closer towards that $80,000 price range like it did right here. It ran out toward this range, got rejected, ran close towards this range, got rejected, ran toward this range and got rejected. So there's a higher probability now we may see Mama Bitcoin continue to run a little bit more up towards the upper side before prices ends up moving towards the downside. Now, it doesn't mean that tomorrow we're going to continue to see this explosion happen because typically when you have a really explosive, really fast, quick move towards the upside and it creates a parabolic move, a lot of times you see prices retrace and give back some of the previous gains because of this huge green candlestick that was created. I won't be surprised is that we see Mama going go down a little bit, take a little breather because it just did an explosion that exerted a lot of energy moving its way towards the upside. Now, here's what came about the ceasefire that I actually didn't expect. That's super interesting and really bullish for the crypto market as a whole. I ran to collect coin fees from oil tanks during the ceasefire. Ooh, this is juicy. I like this, you guys. I like this. So what Iran is proposing is that during this time, the 2-week ceasefire, what they're saying to potentially collect the fees from the oil tanks, they proposed potentially in coin. They also said maybe another digital currency, maybe a stable coin, and potentially even the yen. So we're going to see what the US is going to say. Personally, I think this isn't going to happen. All oil transaction worldwide, we know it typically happens in US dollar, and I just think it's going to stay in US dollar. I see no reason why the US is going to say yes to allow them to collect fees in coin or another digital currency, but I'm not in charge. We're going to see how this plays out. But let's look at the positive and let's look at the negative, because let's say this does play out. This means massive or significantly more accumulation for Bitcoin. And the crypto market has already begun to shift because now we're in April and we're only the beginning of April. And for the first time ever, we're seeing that Mama Coin is up almost 5%, you guys. And we know we got to focus on Mama Bitcoin because whatever Mama Bitcoin does, your Ethereum, your Solana, your XRP, your ADA, your whatever crypto is your favorite is going to do the same thing. The reason why I said this is significant, actually seeing us above 4%, because when was the last time we actually saw Mama Bitcoin above 4%? If we go back on this chart, you guys see it didn't happen in December, not in November, not in October. It goes all the way back to September. That's almost 7 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months, now we're starting to see some bullish momentum with price moving towards the upside. So how in the world does this relate back to what I was saying about how we're going to change our strategy to continue to make money on a weekly basis so our crypto wallets become big, fat, and juicy? Because all of these profits that we've been making, you guys, they're mainly short profit, meaning making money while crypto is moving towards the downside. So because we're starting to see a shift now in the market where prices are starting to move towards the upside, it means now we're looking to make money with crypto moving towards the upside. And like I always say, if you want to make the most amount of money in crypto, if you want your crypto wallet to become big, fat, and juicy, you guys, you cannot focus on I'm only going to invest and wait for the bull market, because technically we don't know when that's going to happen. From the TA perspective, it should happen in October, but because we have a war currently happening and this is only a 2-week ceasefire, is not an indication that, hey, the war is over, because we're still having some major issues, because Iran has officially closed the state of Hormuz until further notice due to Israel attack on Lebanon. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is insane. Agreed to a ceasefire, we haven't agreed to a ceasefire. Are people honoring the ceasefire? Are people not honoring the ceasefire? But regardless, how I think this is going to end up affecting the crypto market, I think we're going to see huge moves happen very soon, because we have to think that the ceasefire caused the crypto market to skyrocket. The ceasefire caused the stock market to skyrocket. So now what happens if we start getting some news that, hey, we're not coming to an agreement? Hey, we're really struggling. Oh, the demands are absolutely ridiculous. Then if the inverse of what made the crypto market pump, we see it happening, maybe that's probably going to make the crypto market move towards the downside. Now you might be thinking, Naicke Kalala, then what the heck is going to happen? Should I be looking to buy more crypto? Should I be looking to sell more crypto? Should I be looking to take long position? Should I be looking to take short position? What in the world should I look to do? And my answer is do both, because then you're putting yourself in a position to make as much money as possible. And I'll explain. Bitcoin has mainly been moving in this range. We saw Bitcoin do this crash towards $60,000. Ever since it hit $60,000, we saw this huge move to the upside, which it went towards that 72K price range. After that, we haven't seen BTC get above 80K. So our main move is between that 60K price range all the way up towards that mid $76,000 price range, where we pretty much have been bouncing within that range. But this pattern could potentially run all the way up to potentially $80,000 price range, which we hit right here. And then what happened? Ding, we made a move toward the upside before this massive capitulation where prices went low below the 60K. So what I mean by do both, so you can get your crypto wallet as big, as fat, as juicy as possible, so you're making the most amount of money, is during these ranges, I'm looking to accumulate a little bit more crypto between that 60K price range all the way up potentially towards this 78K price range. If we see prices now move towards the second accumulation range, which is right here, I know my square is a little bit too big, I'm sorry you guys, then I'm going to look to buy some within this range as well. And then after that, once we get back within this range, we'll talk about that once we get there, because now we're going to be in the 100K price range. Then we accumulate a little bit more. But you guys, that doesn't stop us from doing this, which is making money in the short term. Right now, where crypto is still fluctuating up or down. I remember when I was getting into the world of investing, I was getting into the world of crypto, and I would be leaving my 9 to 5 and I'll be on the bus, public transit, and I'll be scrolling on Instagram, and I would see these people drive such nice cars, and I would see them travel the world. I'll see them go to these nice resorts, and I would see them just living this life that I wanted. And I would tell myself, I'm like, dang, like, why can't that be me? With this life that I'm living, working for this big corporate fancy company where I still have to ask them for permission to go on vacation. And sometimes they say, no, you can't go on vacation the first 2 weeks of the entire month. So you can only go on vacation on the last 2 weeks. I gave so much of my life to them, but yeah, I was seeing all these people live the life I wanted to have. And I'll tell myself, this isn't what I promised myself. This isn't what I told myself. This isn't what I told my wife our life would be like. So I just locked in learning how to trade, learning how to invest, learning how to do this right. And it completely changed my life. So regardless of what the crypto market does, regardless of what crazy news you hear, there's a war here, there's bombings here, crypto is crashing really hard right now, oh, crypto's pumping really hard right now. Just know that if you take the time to actually lock in and do this, you can continuously succeed in crypto. You can do well and you can make profit on a monthly basis, on a weekly basis, on a bi-weekly basis, even on a daily basis. You can also make profit for the long term by investing in crypto, because the only reason why you're not making money in crypto if you're watching this video is because you don't know what to do. Warren Buffett, one of my favorite quotes, the more you learn, the more you earn. So once you learn these things, you'll be able to implement it and you'll start seeing the results. And if you're someone who doesn't have millions of dollars in crypto, it's perfectly fine. We actually started this channel in my inner circle called Small Wallet Big Dream, where people who may have small wallet, big dreams, and we've been flipping our account. And now we're on our way to flipping our account again, just to prove where it doesn't matter how much money you start. We're just more about having a good strategy, having a good technique so you can make money consistently regardless of what the market does. And I know right now some of you are saying, oh my gosh, crypto's pumping. Crypto went up so much. I wish I bought more. Do not buy crypto when prices are pumping unless you're wanting to take a short position, meaning making money when prices go down. One of the biggest mistakes I made when I was brand new to crypto is seeing influencers who had millions of followers and they'd be like, buy this crypto. And I would see a crypto pump because some influencer said buy it and crypto's going up. I thought in my mind, well, it's going up, so this has to be a good time to buy. And I would buy and it always went down because I bought during the pump. The pump is the worst time to buy in unless you're taking a short position. So if you're thinking, should I buy today? Not financial advice. Obviously do whatever you want, but I significantly advise from jumping into crypto and buying crypto when prices are running up. Watch the masses and do the opposite, meaning when prices are pumping, that's when we buy, and when prices are going up, that's when we sell or we take short positions to make money while it moves towards the downside direction. And it doesn't matter how much money you're starting in with crypto, whether you're starting with $100, $500, $100,000. If you take the time to learn these things, learn when to buy, learn how to read the chart, understanding when to take a short position to make money while it goes down, understand when to take a long position to make money while price goes down, to accumulate crypto so that when you're old and wrinkly and you're a grandma and you're a grandpa, you don't have to work a single day in your life. Just start now. Log in, tap in, get with people who are serious about this. The link in the bio is free to join my inner circle for the next 14 days so you can actually see us invest, you can see us trade live so that you can see it for yourself and know that if you tap in, you can succeed as well.